So in this video, we're going to duplicate the ground floor plan. What we want to do is end up with a color-coded floor plan. This is what we're heading to. In this floor plan, what I did is I hid everything except for the fixtures and then color-coded the spaces. Another way to do this is to half-tone all of the pieces, and then that way your labels stand out, but you still get to see the furniture. So the process of doing the color coding is the same, but what I want to show you right now is how to halftone furniture very quickly. So we're going to go to the ground floor, and we're going to duplicate that. And we're going to continue with the detailing because we need to keep all of the labels with the square footage. So keep in mind you need to put the labels, the room tags with the square footage in here. First thing I need to do is I want to hide my floor. So I'm going to go to my 3D view. I've got the section box on. I'm selecting the ground floor, and I'm going back to my floor here, and it's selected. Choose right click. And we're going to hide all instances, or that element. So the floor is hidden. I'm going to go ahead and rename this as my color code floor map, or floor plan, color code plan, well, color code plan. Something that lets you know this is a floor plan that's color coded. I could go through and choose each piece of furniture and halftone it, but there's a shortcut. So if we override graphics view by filter, and then we are going to look at model categories here, and we're going to show the ones that are visible in this view. And what I'm going to select are going to be my furniture systems. So I'm going to click on this. Furniture, check that. Furniture systems, check that. Generic models, and I'm checking this for halftone. Another thing is under plumbing. I see electrical fixtures. And, oh, yep, here we go. Plumbing fixtures, let's do halftone there. Now, if we scoot this over, when we hit apply, you'll see that all of that turns to halftone. And it got almost everything. There's a couple of things here, like these little desks. So I'm just going to hit OK. So I got everything except a couple of desks. So let's go ahead and choose these. So I'm going to right click, and I'm going to select all instances visible in view. And it's because there's some other kind of thing. They're not one of those two things that we selected. So now we're just going to, now that we've got them selected, we're going to go to graphics override and that category, and we're just going to check halftone and click apply. And now those are also halftone. So all of the pieces there that are fixtures are halftone, and that's what I want to show you here. So now that we have this way, if you scroll in on this, you'll see, I'm trying to zoom in, there we go. You'll see that all of the room tags are very easy to read, and all of the walls are very dark, but the furniture is dim, okay? So the next thing we're gonna do is let's go ahead and adjust our crop view. So I'm going to show the crop, and we're going to click on these little dots here and bring this in closer so that when we put this in a drawing, it's cropped into the right place. I'm going to leave me some room on, I think it'll fit. I'm just going to barely pass this. I'm leaving a little bit of space on this side, okay? And then I can turn off the hide the crop region. Now that's cropped. I probably need to keep that on until I get done. Okay, we're going to go over here to this side. We're going to choose color scheme, and let's show what it looks like. So this is with no color scheme. So we're going to choose rooms. So everything is tagged as a room, and we're going to choose name, and then it's going to propose some colors. It used to put some dark colors in here. Now it's all pastel, so that's okay. If you want to change these colors, you can do it in this table, but we're going to click apply. And the other thing we want to do is, so we have that showing. I'm going to go ahead and click apply and OK. Okay, so I got a little lost there. I didn't remember how to do that. So what we did is we went in here, we turned on the color scheme for the rooms by name, And if you don't like the colors, you can click on these and change the colors to anything you want. But since now that it's doing light colors, that actually makes it work really well. So you can tell which are which. So what we're going to do is click apply here and then OK. So now we have our color-coded floor plan. The next place we need to go is to annotate. And if you look over here, there is a little button that says color fill legend. I'm going to click on that. And we'll place it over here next to my building like this. And now it has a legend that shows what each color means. And since we've got this inside our crop region, we're going to go ahead and crop that and hide the crop line. So this is what our view will look like. So we have the rooms colored, this, like the staff space is the screen, and if you look on this, that matches the screen here. So this is what that will look like. So I'll let you choose which one you want to do. You can either do the one where you halftone the furniture, or you can just hide everything except for the bathroom fixtures and do that same thing where you have the legend and it goes here. So again, I would clean this up by turning on the crop view and moving this inside those elevation markers. Let's bring this in here and tidy that up a little bit. So I need to see this one down here. And then grab this legend and bring it inside that box. And now we can turn off the crop region, and this will make a very nice presentation. So I'll let you pick which one you like the best, with the furniture hidden and or with the furniture halftone. The halftone takes a little bit longer to do than the other one. So that's what the color-coded floor plan looks like.